Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in core tools and a tiny scope so momentum starts now. Choose an engine that fits your team's skills and target platform. Make a one-page design that states the player goal, core loop, and victory/defeat conditions. Then prototype the single most important mechanic with placeholder assets and basic controls. Once the mechanic feels fun, iterate rapidly. This validates the idea and prevents wasted polish on features that don't work. Once your prototype is solid, expand to systems and scalable content pipelines. Implement robust input handling, core physics, and a minimal UI that communicates state. Build progression systems and modular content so levels and assets slot in without code changes. Make playtesting part of each sprint. Capture metrics and direct player feedback, then prioritize changes. As you iterate, refactor technical debt and keep build stability. That way you can add content faster, while preserving the original gameplay feel. You wrap up by focusing on polish and release readiness. Smooth onboarding, tune difficulty, and optimize performance for target hardware. Finalize builds with store metadata, screenshots, and a QA pass that includes regression tests. Once live, deploy analytics to track retention and funnels, then prioritize critical patches quickly. If players report blockages, reproduce locally, check logs, and roll a hotfix when necessary. Keeping a transparent changelog will maintain trust and guide future improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.